End of time. 56. Yep. Like I was saying, if you're looking for a cushy job, yeah, try to find a security company that's hiring. Most of them usually do. They pay pretty decent, depending on the site that you go to. And yeah, if you can find the right company and the right site, then you pretty much got it made. So I think here that leveled it down pretty good. Right there. I think that leveled it down. Yeah. So let's take the tape off here. The rest of this tape here. Alright, so the only one we have left is right over here. If you can see that, it's right up, yeah, you can see that right there. It's very, very unnoticeable in the camera. But it's right next to the neck here. Right there. It looks like a little pin dot. I know it starts to get blurry as I push it closer. But yeah, that's it right there. So that's going to be our last one. Okay, that we have to do. All these other ones that we've hit, they look to be pretty good. Let's see, what do we gotta do here? We have to... Trying to put tape down in there. It's a very, very tight space, and trying to get that covered enough so where we don't have any boo-boos. Let's see. Here's a question for everybody. Does anybody remember the group called Sweet? S-W-E-E-T. The group name ring a bell? Kind of one of those groups that had a few hits and then kind of faded away. But reason I'm asking is lately, Terry, my wife, she's been, listening to a lot of their greatest hits from yesteryear, and two of the songs, if you remember, one was called Little Willie Willie, Little Willie, something like that. It went Little Willie Willie won't go home, and the other one was Ballroom Blitz. A ballroom blitz, a ballroom blitz. Little Willie Willie won't go home. Something like that. But yeah, she's been listening to them a lot lately. So just wanted to bring it up and see if anybody remembered that group from many years ago. Okay. Let's get just another little piece of tape here, because I just want to be sure that I'm not gonna, get in the areas that, there we go, underneath the neck, there we go. Okay. 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 I think I have enough tape on there now for right here. Okay. Clean off our work surface. It's mostly just little tape shavings from sanding. so we already have two segments of today's video. Ooh, I got too wrapped up into what I'm doing here that I forgot to check the upload on the others. Let's see. Okay. So much for uploading those other. Let's see. Well, hold on. Maybe we can restore the session. Okay. gonna have to try this again. Sometimes that's just what it takes. Try once, try twice, try 3 times. Oh. Okay, well, let's continue on here. Yeah. So, how are we gonna do this now? Because it's such a tight spot. Try to... Yeah, that's a high one too. That one is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's right around the 13th fret that we're working at. Is kind of high too. See this one up here that we just got through with? For some reason, I'm just not satisfied with that one. I think it could be taken down a little more. So I think that I will try to tape up this side again and have another stab at it. Yeah. Let's see if See if we can get this a little better this time. That's right by the pickup hole. Let's see, our little heavy grit sandpaper here. Okay, now I'm satisfied. Okay, so at 26 after, which is going to be in another 8 minutes, will be another 30-minute video segment. Okay. And I have to pay a little more attention to my computer screen behind me, so the videos can load up, or finish loading up. Okay. Let's clean up our work surface here from any shredded tape. Yeah, so if you're ever wondering how long it takes me to, to do a job, if you see like 2, 3, 4, 5 videos, each one is a half-hour segment. So we've already gone into our third one now. So this is in about 6 minutes. It will be an hour and a half since we started. All right, here we go. Okay, this is going a little faster. Basically, I just have to make sure that the computer doesn't time out on me. Alright, let's get the rest of this tape off and then see where we're at here. tape here. And it's in that spot that is just very, very annoying. Alright. Not too annoying, but was just in one of those areas. So, we have all these, these little fill-ins. Two right there, those are sanded down. These two here are leveled. This one here is leveled down. That's the one I just, tried to do again. And this one up here, it probably could be better, but I think it's as good as it may get right now. Taking off a little bit more. I just kind of shave it. What I'm doing is I'm using my X-Acto knife and just barely